Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys. In a peaceful mountain village, a dedicated police officer patrols the winding roads beneath clear blue skies. NANI? But up ahead, a blazing glow cuts through the air. A fearsome fire dragon blocks the way. It lowers its massive head and unleashes a torrent of fire that scorches the asphalt. The officer slams the brakes. His grip tight, eyes locked on the inferno ahead.
Oh no!
With a thunderous sweep, the dragon's tail smashes a tree, sending burning leaves spiraling.
Unit 3, requesting immediate backup. We've got a code red.
He grabs his radio, his voice tense, urgently calling for backup. The dragon's colossal body seals off the only road, smoke curling into the sky as villagers watch from afar. Suddenly, an excavator approaches its operator ready for action. Inside the cab, he leans forward, eyes locked on the hillside, pointing to a bold new plan. The excavator roars, off-road, tearing into the rocky slope as sunlight slices through the dust. The dragon turns, eyes narrowing, and hurls another wave of fire toward the machine. The operator flinches, but his focus never wavers. Steel teeth bite into the earth, carving an opening in the rugged slope. The officer signals the villagers to move back, shielding them from danger. NANI? Sparks fly as the bucket crashes against solid rock, breaking it apart. Frustrated, the dragon steps back, dust swirling around its legs. At last, the excavator bursts through to an open clearing bathed in sunlight. The officer restarts his car, determination burning brighter than the flames. The operator smiles. The new road is almost ready. From a safe distance, the villagers cheer, hope returning to their faces. With a mighty roar, the dragon spreads its wings and vanishes toward the mountains. The excavator stands proudly beside the fresh path. Its work complete!
Hello!
The officer drives the new road,
everyone.
waving two grateful villagers along the way. From above, the road curves like a ribbon along the hillside, life returning to normal. As the sun sets, officer and operator shake hands, their smiles lit with relief. The village is safe once more. Bye-bye!